In the ever-evolving world of budget smartphones, the Nothing Phone 2 and Motorola Edge 50 Pro stand out as intriguing options in 2025, each offering a unique blend of features and performance. The Nothing Phone 2 captivates with its unique transparent design and innovative interface, while the Motorola Edge 50 Pro showcases impressive thin design and impressive photography capabilities. In this comparison, we'll explore their specifications, user experiences, and overall value to help you determine which device aligned best with your needs and lifestyle. By the way, I'm Vice from Vice Tech. Let's pick a winner.
As you can see, on the left, we have the Nothing Phone 2, and on the right, we have the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Now, let's start with the boot up test. As you can see, the Nothing was slow in lighting up the screen, but it came first booting up the phone. Display. The Nothing Phone 2 sports a flat 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, which is a total of 394 ppi density. It also has a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals and a 1600 nits of brightness. On the other hand, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro boasts the same size but curved 6.7-inch OLED display with a higher resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, which is a total of 446 ppi density, also a higher 144 Hz refresh rate, enhancing the fluidity of animations and scrolling, and another higher 2000 nits of brightness. Overall, the Nothing Phone 2 is good, very good, but the Motorola Edge 50 Pro packs more on the display size. If you love curved screen, you'll enjoy more speed, brightness, details will look better on the Motorola as it packs more pixels than the Nothing Phone 2 display.
The sides of these two phones are also different, as the Nothing has a flat side and the Motorola has an edge-like design. It makes the phone look cool and thin. Also on the back, we have the beautiful Nothing transparent glass design with those Glyph interface that I will show you later on. And the Motorola's back is a plain back with a soft back material. I can't tell what it is, but it feels so smooth.
Camera. Starting with the Nothing Phone 2, it features a dual camera system with a 50MP main sensor and a 50MP ultra-wide lens, offering versatile photography options and advanced computational photography features. It excels in low-light performance and has a unique design with LED notification lights. On the other hand, we have the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, which is equipped with triple lens camera. That is a 50MP wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens, and another 13MP ultra-wide lens, providing greater flexibility for zoom and depth effects. Its camera system is known for delivering vibrant colors and good video capabilities. And here is a side-to-side comparison between the two. I gotta say, they are all awesome. You get a warm tune on the Motorola Edge and a cold tune on the Nothing. But we both saw the comparison, now it's time to pick a winner.
Storage. Nothing Phone 2 offers storage options of 128GB and 256GB without expandable storage. Motorola Edge 50 Pro provides 128GB and 256GB options as well, but also lacks expandable storage. And both comes with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, allowing for smooth multitasking. But the difference is in their processors, thus the Nothing Phone 2 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, while the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is packed with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 generally outperforms the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 in raw power, especially GPU, offering higher clock speeds and better benchmark scores, but the newer 7 Gen 3 brings architectural improvements and better efficiency. Battery. Nothing Phone 2 equipped with a 4700 mAh battery, supporting decent all-day usage with fast charging capabilities. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro houses a slightly lower 4500 mAh battery, also supporting fast charging, enhancing overall longevity. If you're liking this video, don't forget to give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Now to the conclusion. Both the Nothing Phone 2 and Motorola Edge 50 Pro offer compelling features with comparable storage and RAM options. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro edges out in display quality and higher refresh rate in a more updated Android system. The Nothing Phone 2's unique design, the backlights plus the red recording light and solid, more powerful processor make it an attractive alternative. Ultimately, the choice may depend on brand preference and design aesthetic. So which one did you pick, knowing the Nothing is more expensive than the Motorola Edge 50 Pro? That's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching and have a great time. See you on the next one. Peace.